going on, guys? Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to Wicked Natty Roots. And if you're back, thank you guys for watching. And today, like always, is a good day to go what? Yep, plant shopping. That's right. Hope you guys are bringing home them roots, bringing home them plants, and wellspring is right around the corner. And today we're gonna show you a tour of Mahoney's greenhouse in Winchester, Massachusetts. All right, been excited, been here before, but we're gonna see what they got, guys. All right, here we go. All right, it is a beautiful day. Thought I'd show you guys. Check that out. This is the parking lot. Greenhouse galore. And we're gonna go right on in. All right. Here it is. Everybody's in a good mood, and we got the entrance. Whew. All right, guess we came on a good day. All house plants 25% off. Way to go, Mahoney's. Way to go. All right, guys, we're gonna start off right here with these nerve plants, the Fittonias, and this is Urban Jungle is up in here, $24.99 for that beautiful species. Next to that, we got a watermelon peperomia. These are looking nice and strong for only $34.99. Looking super healthy. And next to those, look at these gorgeous, best looking brandies, Philodendron brandiatum. I have seen, and the $49.99. Super easy to propagate. Look at that. Look at those brandies looking lush. Super lush. Look at that, guys. Right there everywhere. And we got these peperomias here. Super cool. Wow. All right. Right up here we got, oh yeah, Syngoniums. All the Syngonium fans out there. I think this is the Cardi Road. The Syngonium erytroph. All right, tell me, guys, if you guys have one of these. That's on my wish list for sure. They are looking good. Look at them. Bad vines just trailing. Gotta love that. Over here we got the all popular Philodendron Mikan. The Mikan. Looking nice and lush. Look at that, guys. And these are $34.99. All right. Some nice Scindapsus. Okay. Right there, we're gonna move over here.
But I didn't want to get them a chance that leaves turning yellow.
Very cool.
I can give them another step. I got a hose right over here.
Right. Check those out. Really loving those. Really liking those. Super cool. All right, guys, check this amazing plant from the genus Monstera. Monstera gets the name from the size of the leaves. This particular one, the Monstera Thai constellation, was genetically engineered in a laboratory in Thailand, hence the name Thai. And if you look closely at the leaves, you might even see constellations. And the variegations come in the form of splashes, dots, and just beautiful. And anybody see the Milky Way in the constellation somewhere? And look at that beautiful species, the Thai constellation. First time seeing this plant up close and personal. Very rare and sought after plant. Those holes in the leaves are called fenestrations. As the plant matures, it develops the holes in the leaves. And as Kunzo would say, that's the Marilyn. And this is a fairly expensive plant. Uh, it is tissue cultured, so it is more difficult to grow. It doesn't grow in the wild since it was made in a laboratory. So this particular one was about $400. Right there you see, oh, you know, Hoya fans. This looks like the Hoya carnosa tricolor. Um, they love to climb and or trail, and thought I'd show you guys the beautiful Hoyas, nice waxy leaves, and maybe one day we'll grab one of those. Any Hoya fans out there? All right, look at this beauty, the philodendron right there. Did you guys know that philodendron came from a word from Greece, philo meaning love and affection, and dendron meaning trees. So philodendron, the love for trees. And gotta love those shapely leaves, new growth just everywhere. And those are unique as ever. Look at that. That is a leaf right there, ready to grow. And these guys are bromeliads. They come in bright colors, and I like the presentation, the way they put them on the moss poles, looks like, and just couldn't get over the mature size of these plants. The red stems and the new leaf just unfurling right there, and I love to see that. Amazing. And look at this jungle vibe at this amazing greenhouse at Mahoney's in Winchester, Massachusetts. If you guys are in the area, definitely got to check that out. I believe this is the philodendron mayoi. I've seen that in the wild, and really cool to see that at a nursery as an option for plant collectors. All right. I did not know bromeliads were epiphytic, and they really seem to like to be on stakes, and really cool presentation showing off the vibrant colors. Really, really cool. And this guy really stood out to me. Cactus like, looks like an agave, but this thing was massive. Alright, these guys with the elongated leaves is the Paraíso Verde, another philodendron that likes to climb trees. He's a tree hugger. And the philodendrons Paraíso Verde loves to climb. Give it a nice pole, and look how tall and big they get. The nice variegation, and it's really, again, a different size leaves there. Did I get a Paraíso Verde yet? All right. Check out the earlobes, and yeah, the Rhaphidophora decursiva, another form of Monstera. Syngoniums. Man, it was so cool to see these syngoniums at Mahoney's, and with the 3 leaves, and never seen these at a nursery, so it was awesome to actually see it in person. Big syngonium fan, and look at that thing climb. Amazing. For $30, not bad. Oh, and it was 25% off, so even a better deal. Hard to say no when you see a beautiful plant like that. And they were just everywhere. Check that out. Way to go, Winchester Mahoney's. Over here, had to check out some Calatheas. Not sure the species. That was really cool. Looks like somebody just painted that right on those leaves. Alright, looks like that was 25. Not bad, really unique. Look at that. Whoever painted that must have been Picasso. There is the philodendron brandy again. In really nice shape. Really, whoa, wicked natty roots right there. Look at those aerial roots on this ginormous plant. Not sure the name. If any, maybe the Gigantium philodendron. If anyone knows, please let us know. I'm still learning about all these plants, but this one was really super duper cool with the plants and variegations. Really nice. And the variegations are the different colors, patterns that you see on the leaves. And this is the philodendron fuzzy petiole. And you wonder why they call it fuzzy? Because the petioles, the stems that the leaves grow on, they actually are fuzzy. And they were beautifully taken care of. Got some bright light, and those leaves were massive. Check that out. Beautiful. There she is. Love of my life. All right. Philodendron again. Brazil. Philodendron Brazil. Got to show love. You guys know what I'm talking about. Never have too many of these. And look at them just everywhere. Trailing from a nice hanging basket. There's a philodendron heartleaf. As you can see, the actual leaves look like actual hearts. Give those bright light and plenty of water and watch them grow. And 'tis the season. Alright, another philodendron. Couldn't stop looking at them. I absolutely love those. Alright, so here we go with the Epipremnum marble variegata. Now this is a beautiful specimen, guys. Check that out. Beautiful. First time seeing that in person as such, and it was really, really cool to see the mature and the full size of how big they actually get. Over here we see a variety of pothos and joy. Pothos, the neon lemon lime, neon, I think. Still learning. These look like the snow queens here. Beautiful. I couldn't believe how many they had and such a variety of choices. All right, this is the Monstera siltepecana. Oh, nice fenestrations on the leaves. Means it's really getting what it needs, all the energy, all the light, all the water and nutrients. And we're back to the Epipremnum, climbing up the pole. And that is a beautiful, beautiful species. Beautiful. All right, over here we have the original. Make some noise for the philodendron pink princess. Woof. I know that this plant got the hype going when plant collections first started, and it's still a beautiful plant. Gotta show love to the philodendron pink princess. Very well displayed on moss poles, and gotta love those. Beautiful specimen, rare and unusual. Here is the philodendron painted lady. Love, love, love the painted lady. Love the way it grows with the pink stems and the variegation, yellow and green, and almost looked neon, like glows in the dark almost. And that one there is maturing. I believe this is the Aurelia False Galaxy. I'm taking care of a couple of those, and my goal is to grow it like that. Alright, I believe that's the Stendaliana. Alright, guys, let me know what you think of these guys. Beautiful hanging baskets. Strings of bananas, it looks like. Strings of hearts. Very well displayed. Check that out right there. Look at that. Growing around the trellis. Sorry about the background noise. But it's a beautiful day today, and beautiful day in this greenhouse at Mahoney's in Winchester, Massachusetts. As you can see, a beautiful, beautiful collection. Plenty of varieties. I think these were the string of watermelons, a string of tears, fish hooks they look like, but I was very delighted to see such a great selection. All right, these guys look pretty interesting. Anyone know what they are? Please let me know. Those are really cool. Monkey tails, they look like, maybe. All right, some more cactuses in the background, getting plenty of sun. Any cactus fans? Gotta get me a couple more. Gotta watch out, or they might prick your finger a little bit. Gotta be careful with these cactuses, but man, look at that array of beautiful rainbow colors. Gotta love it. Gotta love nature. Look at that display. Amazing. All right. Very cool. And I was just admiring these guys again. They just look so cool, and the way they grow, the way they add such a great energy to your environment. And there you go. I was really impressed with this guy. Oh, back to the philodendron pink princesses. Told you, gotta show them some love. Those really look nice and mature. See how sturdy and firm they grow when you give them a nice something to climb, something sturdy, so they can feel supported like they do in the wild. You got some Ficus elastica, the Belize. Alright, and they got the white one. Let's see here. I believe this is the Ficus altissima, or maybe the Audrey. Some nice palms. Majestic looking. Alright, the field of ficus. These were super duper healthy. Really easy to grow. Give them nice full light. You'll see growth, new growth all day. Look at that. I think this is the Ficus Taneki, the yellow and green variegation, and the pink one is the Ficus elastica Belize. Alright, and look at this rubber tree right here, the burgundy, and the alocasia elephant ear. The regal shield was alive and powerfully just sitting there showing off. Look at that new growth. Gotta love it. The veination on the back of the leaves. Oh wow, I gotta love the regal shields. Look at the new leaf unfurling. Any plant care tips, guys? I just got a regal shield and new to the species, so here is, I believe, the another Hoya publicalis. And again, for the Hoya fans out there, thought I'd show you guys a beautiful arrangement that they had at Mahoney's. And I'm not a expert on Hoyas or any plant by any means, but maybe I'll get a few Hoyas in the future. They do look really cool. I've had a couple didn't do so well, but if at first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. Beautiful. Alright, you got some more species of Hoyas. Hoya wax plant. And these guys, I believe, are the Hoya carnosa, the Hindu rope. They like to trail. These seem like to be little baby ones, but they sure grow fast. Oh, Hoya. Hello, Hoya. Hoyas everywhere. Ho ho. Yeah. Look at all those sun stressed. Means more light you give it, the color of the leaves just start transforming. The plant starts photosynthesizing a lot more, changing the color of the leaves from what I understand, along with the proper fertilization, proper water intake. Hoya wyattii, I believe, looks like it's a variegated form. And okay guys, the Syngonium, here it is, the albo. The Syngonium albo, guys. First time seeing that in person. Gotta love the China doll. Growing one as we speak. Alright, these guys. Syngoniums, Cardi Road. And I was just too excited to stand still. I gotta move the camera a little slower, but I was in such an excitement that I just thought I'd film and do a voiceover after and just show you guys all the different kind of cool plants. This is the dragon scale. Also, I believe the black velvet. Oh, I gotta get me one of these Cupreas. The Red Secret, Alocasia cuprea. Been seeing a lot out there lately, and it's been calling my name. Look at that guy. Amazing. Anybody got a cuprea out there, cuprea fans? Let me know. Look at those Dieffenbachs. Alright guys, so this has got to be one of my favorite species here. The Cissus discolor. And check out those reptilian Jurassic looking leaves. Look how cool those are. Wow. I couldn't get enough of this plant. I really couldn't. I love the colors, and it does need, from what I hear, higher humidity, but look at how they grow. Amazing. I tell you, I couldn't get enough of those. Pretty cool. Begonias in the house. Yep, nice Rex. I guess they call every begonia Rex these days. Not sure why, but they all have the name Rex on it. So maybe that's a silver Rex. Any knowledge on begonias out there? Anybody want to shed some light on why they all are called Rexes? Please let me know. All right. I do see different species names for begonias, though. Hollow, something Dream, but Da Vinci's Dream. They all got some cool names, and still learning. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you guys are enjoying it, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Greatly appreciated it. And be coming with some more videos, and just let me know what you would like to see. And I'm gonna try to keep showing you guys the beauty of nature. This channel's all about sharing knowledge and just having fun. So keep bringing them plants home, keep bringing them roots home. All right, plant mamas and plant papas out there, see you guys on the next